I just got a new toy for you too. I just got a new toy for you too. This is the Decor and Lifestyle Center. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got a new toy and I want to unbox it and show you what it is. If you're new here, I am Charlene and I provide videos on DIY decor and of course my lifestyle. If you're interested in seeing what this new toy is, then continue watching. So excited about this. Alright, I'm gonna put that over there. So. Guys, I have gotten a gimbal. Now, this little piece of equipment is going to make my videos a little bit more steady. Because I don't know the geriatric and then just a shake every time I do the video, then I cannot stand it. Okay? Some persons might say, oh, it's better to get a camera. No, one person they tell me that. Yeah, and the person they have my back. But I know my hand and my shake, I must look on the videos or the previous ones that I used to do, and I don't like them. So get one little tap. We'll put on the knife before we create some damage. In a box, work with me on the camera and if people them system in another one. Alright. Was that an instruction? Yes. So do it again. Because I'm not really get it. Alright, so then see here? So you might be wondering what a gimbal is for the persons who don't know. It is actually a video stabilizer. So when I'm shooting, especially when I'm trying to do the vlogs, the videos will be a little smoother. Now to try and learn this piece of equipment is a whole nother video. Understand? You have to do this in stages because your girl doesn't have to get for the technology. But look at this bag, how sleek this is. I'll be sure to leave the link to the product in the description box for persons my age or a little older who feels like this could help them to make their videos a little better. Alright guys, so I'm sharing the info with you. But the bag just so sleek and nice. Like I could have carry lunch in this. Cutie? Or it could have been a crossbody bag. But we like it. So, hold on, let me see what is going on. So, the bag cute. Okay, so the white was a little turn off for me. I'm not gonna lie to you because sometimes your girl can be so messy. But it's easy to clean. The type of material, the vinyl is really easy to clean. And the moment of truth. Voila. Alright, so hold on there. Oh. So this strap down nicely in here like it have its own like a seat belt. See this? This is what the gimbal look like. It look like something from outer space though, but I'm gonna try to figure out this part or get some help. So essentially what happens is that you place the phone or you can place a camera on it, and then when you start shooting and moving around, you'll get like cinematographic quality, okay, with this. It helps the vloggers too, because when you're moving and you want the shots to be seamless, you know, like you're just gliding, that little equipment you can do this. Alright, so that is the gimbal. This is the strap for the bag. What's over this side? Okay, so this is the base for the gimbal or the tripod. Let's screw this up. So, if you're shooting something like on a surface, you just pull out your little legs. Hold on, and you just sit it down. Right? So against the black, I'm sure you can see what's going on here. Alright? Alright, so we set that aside over there. What else is in here? Hold on. So there's a little zip compartment right here. So these are the cables that you use to connect it. I might have to do a separate video. No, I am going to link a video when I post this to someone who is far more knowledgeable than I am to show you exactly how this little gadget works. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you say me can come from camera come do that because me don't know nothing about them sitting here for tell you. Me gonna figure it out by myself, and that is going to take a while. So we can't do that in a one video, but me gonna link somebody who the expert. Everybody have their own talent. That's not one of my own. Oh, it also comes with a camera clip. Lord, this sturdy, man. I think is the best one I've ever seen. Yeah, this really sturdy. So you know, so the phone now drop out in them. This a camera clip like a phone clip. Okay, so me tell you the seminar so right. So it comes, but you can also affix a camera to this because there's a plate provided on the gimbal for that. So guys, you can also purchase this as is, one piece. Okay, this is actually a combo, and because I would like to keep things in a very organized way, I decided to get the bag and the clip. Not only that, it's a far better price than just purchasing this alone. All right, so with this combo you get the bag, because if you were to purchase this alone, it's going to come in a box. All right, but for safety and keep and care, I like to have the added security of having a little bag for it to sit in and be comfortable. All right, but they tell you what your name do. Hold on there. You're going to need the glasses. Don't move. The glasses. Let me tell you the name. My name again. On paper then. Can't pronounce this. Z-H-I-Y-U-N. How about that? Zin. You. No, we never get that part right. Let me show you now. Let me show you now. Oh, see the name here? I hope I can see it. Right? Right. See that? So I'll put a link for it on Amazon. No, in the description box from Amazon. So the persons who are interested in purchasing this can do it. The name I'm going to elude me today. I will not spend the whole day. I try to figure out that part there. Alright guys. So this is a little new acquisition. I'm excited about it. I don't know if I can or soon I can figure out how to use it, but I got to do a thing. Alright guys. Now we're done with the unboxing. We can't go through the details of this because we don't know. Okay? But I promise I'm going to put in one video in there for somebody who knows. But thank you so much for rocking with me. I'm excited about my whole video. I'm excited about the production of the videos moving forward. And when I look on it, especially on the TV, I have to see like me. I have, what I'm calling something there again, Quicksilver. I don't have Quicksilver. So we're tied up the thing, and I learn as we go along, and we improve the product, because we want to make sure so we can provide really great quality videos for you guys. Alright, so until I see you on the next video, walk good and take care. Bye bye.